Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a seasonal unboxing to share with you, and it is the Fall FabFitFun box. I'm a little late in uploading this. I have had this for a couple of weeks now, but because it's advent calendar season, I'm doubling up on my videos, so some videos are a little bit late in uploading. But I thought with this one, as it's a subscription that I choose the products myself, I thought then, yeah, it can wait a little while anyway. So if you're new to FabFitFun, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I chose for this season, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. FabFitFun is a lifestyle, beauty, fitness and anything else really. It's a 3-monthly seasonal subscription that is based in the US and they ship to the UK. They started shipping here about 2 years ago now, I think. I was going to say a year, but no, it's longer. And I love them. I absolutely love them. All the items that you choose are all full size, and you've got options to have add-ons added. So the cost of the box, $49.99, and that is it if you are in the US. To ship to the UK, there's an additional $10 on top shipping, plus you pay VAT as well, which can be between say $7 to $10. It works out to be around £50 per season for this box, but the value of the products is triple. So there's no denying that you are getting a bargain box of goodies here, but it all depends on what you like, isn't it? Because sometimes the selections will come up and you think, do you know what? Boring, I don't want anything here. But then you've got to pick something. But yeah, some boxes have been like that, I've got to be honest, but the majority of the boxes are absolutely amazing. And in all honesty, I can't remember what I thought of this box because it was ages ago that I chose my items. There's two types of subscriptions. There's a season by season subscriber, which means that when you sign up for a subscription, you can cancel any time basically, or you've got an annual subscriber, which is what I am, where I pay 12 months up front. The costs are no different, but being an annual subscriber means that I get to choose my products first than season by season subscribers, and also when FabFitFun bring out numerous sales throughout the years as well. Being an annual subscriber, it means that I get first choice then. I always like to ask season by season subscribers that when it comes to their time to choose their items for their boxes, is there any items that are out of stock? And it is rare. Another perk of annual subscribers, they get to choose absolutely everything in this box. If you're a season by season subscriber, you get to choose, I think it's 4 or 5, and then FabFitFun choose the rest for you. For each item there is a category and there's a couple of products that you can choose from within that category. Now say for instance in category 1 you like more than one item and you just can't choose which one you want to go for. You can choose one for your box, but then you've got the option then for an additional $10 each to choose any more. You could choose every single item in that category if you wanted to. You've just got to pay an extra $10 for it. If you click on the item, you get to find out more information about it, plus what it costs. So yeah, you get an idea of whether it's worth your while or not. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. I do have a refer a friend code or a link that you can click, which will entitle you to $10 or $15 off your first box. So if you're interested in that, then take a look down in my description, and I'll pop a link to the FabFitFun website down in the description as well. Because we're a couple of weeks into the fall box being released, if you decide to subscribe now, it will tell you on the website whether the box is sold out or not. If it's sold out, no worries, you will receive what's known as an editor's box, where it's the same sort of principle. You get to choose the item that go in the box, but all the products are random products from different boxes then that we've already seen. So there might be a chance of that, but you'll get to see that on the website if you decide to opt for the subscription. So let's take a look at what I chose. In every box you get a magazine. I love this little magazine. It tells you everything about the products in the box, plus I'm able to show you what was in the categories. And yeah, it's just a nice little magazine. They've changed their little booklet. Normally they'd have with all the customizations where I can easily show you, but they've changed it. It's all QR code now. So yeah, so even though I can't get the information up on the booklet, I am able to go onto my account and just tell you what they're worth, because some of the prices are really inflated in FabFitFun. So we've got this gorgeous Or I have got, I should say. It is beautiful. Really, really soft. Little makeup pouch here by Vera Bradley. And the recommended retail price for this is $50. $50! I've never heard of Vera Bradley before. But yeah, she might well be a well-known designer. That is so pretty in there, isn't it? I've got loads of makeup bags, but I think in this particular category I wasn't sure what to go for. I just really like the look of this one because of the little pockets in there. Just handy, isn't it, with a little zipper as well. Yeah, I do really like that. Next I chose some socks, and I believe these came in 2 different sizes, and these retail for $24. Oh my gosh, these are super, super soft. They are so soft. Wow. Yeah, they're gorgeous. These are by Fry Boot Socks, and there's 2 pairs. Fit size 5 to 10. 5 to 10 UK. Is it? 5 to 10 US. I think it is. I think it's 5 to 10 US. In that case, they're going to be a bit small for me because I'm a UK size 8, which I think is a US 11. I wear boots all the time in the winter. Oh, I love them. Socks are socks. Essentials, aren't they? But no, these are really nice. So 2 long pairs of boot socks there that are super soft. Next I went for Pearlie's. This is a pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal face mask. This is for oily combination, normal, even sensitive skins, and there's 70 grams here. And this has a retail value of $48. It sounds really great. It's got some amazing ingredients in there. Yeah, detoxifying charcoal mask. So I can't wait to give that a go. It's a 10-minute facial treatment infused with pumpkin and ginger to instantly brighten, soothe and improve skin texture while providing a gentle exfoliation. Then for one of my customizations, I went for a bundle. So there's 3 items and for $69. So I've got here Eco-Friendly Comb Set by Zoe Alea. Handy tail comb there for my halo hair extensions. Yeah, it's nice. Nice detangling comb. So there's that. Then it came with an Image Skincare or Medic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. There's 7 grams here. A replenishing formula with avocado oil and vitamin E to instantly soothe dry lips. And it contains a polypeptide complex which helps lips appear naturally firm and full. That's something new. I haven't heard of that before. Something for my lips. Then I went for, I forgot what this was now. Oh, it's a tray. It was a 2-tier tray, which I thought would be quite handy to put makeup on or something, or jewellery. Oh, I thought it'd be bigger than that, but it's still cute. Look, I like that it's got like a felt bottom there so that whatever you put in there doesn't like slip around. Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? I really like that. Ooh. So it looks like that. And it's up to you then how you want to store it, what to use for. It's got little things on the bottom there to stop it sliding around. Yeah, I like that. Next I went for a candle. This is a Moroccan spice candle by Aarhus, Your Home. I don't know. And it retails for $40. Smells of Christmas. Smells of Christmas. I really like that. Yeah, when the candle is finished, this can be reused. Oh, it just smells gorgeous. It smells really lovely. Why is it? What's it saying? Moroccan spice. Yeah. It just smells of Christmas, cinnamon. Yeah, I love that. Love that. And then lastly, I got something for the kitchen. This is so lovely. Look at this. Look at that. That is beautiful. The design is absolutely gorgeous. It's like, not tie-dye, just like blue swirls. I don't know. This retails for $44. And yeah, you can make a little, well, anything. Anything. You can make anything. So handy to have, and I haven't got anything like this. I would never think of buying like pots and pans from FabFitFun, or choosing pots and pans I should say from FabFitFun, but no, I do really like it. So there you go. So those are all the items that I chose for this season. So I've got a crock pot, I've got a candle, I've got some socks, I've got a face mask, I've got a beauty makeup sort of pouch, I've got a jewellery or some form of container. I've got a lip oil, and I've got a comb set as well. It comes to around say $67, something like that, so it works out to be around 50 odd pound, and it's every 3 months. I love it. I am happy with the choices that I made. I cannot wait for winter. Winter is my favourite for FabFitFun. Oh, they just always do the most gorgeous fluffy slippers, throws. Yeah, I love a winter FabFitFun. It is definitely my favourite, so I can't wait for that. But I am really happy with what I've chosen in this box. What I'm not so keen about is the bundle. This only came into effect on our last box that we had back in the summer, where all annual subscribers got to choose absolutely everything in the box. Previously it was the first, I think it was season by season, subscribers could choose 4 things, and then FabFitFun chose 4 items, and annual subscribers could choose 5 or 6 items, and then FabFitFun chose the remainder. But it's changed where annual subscribers can choose everything, but instead of having individual items to choose from like all the other categories, you can have 3 items in a bundle, which is what I've done, and there's like different variations, or you can have 1 item. It just feels like I'm not getting as much value for money that what I previously did in boxes. This is still quite new, so I'm going to see how it is over the next couple of boxes. But I'm still going to subscribe because I blimmin' love it. I absolutely love the randomness of the items that I choose. It's all handy stuff. I love it. But yeah, that's the only thing I have to say, is that I'm not that keen on the changeover. It just feels like I'm not getting as much value for money then. But anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of what I've chosen? Have you chosen similar if you are a FabFitFun subscriber? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this box is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.